Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about Shopify Plus. So Shopify Plus is a robust and scalable e-commerce platform that caters the needs of larger business and enterprise level retailers. With its advanced feature and flexibility, Shopify Plus offers a comprehensive solution for companies looking to grow their online presence and drive sales. So how to start? You will need to contact sales, fill out the form to request a call for your full name, business email, your business phone, your company name, your website link, the country, and the income, annual income. Are you an agency contacting us or behalf of a brand, or and by submitting this form, you agree to receive promotional messages from Shopify about products and services. You can unsubscribe anytime. If you need any help, you can start the live chat. And one of the standout features of Shopify is its scalability. The uh, platform can handle high volume sales and traffic without compromising or performance. This is crucial for businesses that experience rapid growth or seasonal spike in demand. Additionally, Shopify Plus provides reliable hosting and security measures, ensuring that online store remains secure and available to customers at all times. And another strength of Shopify Plus is its customization options. The platform offers a wide range of themes and templates, allowing businesses to create visual appealing and unique online store that align with their brand identity. Moreover, Shopify with supports extensive customization through its Liquid program language, enabling the developers to tailor the platform to specific businesses' requirements. So perform better without the heavy lifting. Shopify Plus also excels integration and third-party app ecosystem. It seamlessly integrates with various popular payment gateway, shopping providers, and marketing tools, providing businesses with a comprehensive tools to streamline their operation and reach customers effectively. The extensive app store allow merchants to enhance their store's function with additional features and extensions. And customer support here is always available. Hello, thanks for visiting Shopify Plus. What brings you here today? Looking to contact support, thinking about migrating. I'm curious about pricing and would like to see a demo. So let's say I'm curious about pricing. Good thinking. I can help you with that. I just need a bit more information to get right team support for you. In case you get disconnected, what is your business email? So they will need a business email to contact you in case of you left the website. So how to change from your dropshipping business to Shopify Plus? You just migrate. How to migrate? You will need to contact sales, give them the information about your old website or something like this. Then you are here. So, however, it's worth nothing that Shopify Plus might be the most cost not be the most cost effective solution for smaller business or those with limited budget. The pricing for Shopify Plus is higher compared to the standard Shopify plans, and it may include additional fee based on sales volume. Therefore, it's crucial for businesses to carefully evaluate their needs and growth potential before committing to Shopify Plus. So you can set up an online store, customize it, and start selling with Shopify without any heavy responsibility. They have automation, shipping, payments, manage your money where you make it. So it's all in one platform. And in summary, Shopify Plus is a powerful e-commerce platform that offers enterprise-level features and scalability. It provides businesses with the tools and flexibility needed to build and manage successful online store. While it may not be the most affordable options for smaller business, it is robust and extensive features set makes it compelling choice for larger enterprises seeking to enhance their online presence and drive growth. So so like I said, payments will be easy because Shopify Plus accepts Visa, MasterCard, American Express, ShopPay, Google Pay, and Apple Pay, and Klarna. And you cannot worry about everything because they have a customer support team that will help you. Even the creation of the account and the migration to your Shopify Plus business will need to contact sales with the official call, and you start your business. So we have fair pricing and fair advantage, and those are some opinion of some customers and the platform. How to upgrade to Shopify Plus, the best plan for next level growth. Pricing, we have Shopify vs Shopify Plus, frequently asked questions. You can upgrade now, but you will need to log to your Spotify account, Shopify account, sorry. Then you upgrade from there. So you will need to change the email to business email. Change everything to a business because you are not doing the normal dropshipping. Now you are going to the plus, you are upgrading your business, going to the next level. And the next level require more official and formal emails and phone number and websites. So that's all I can help in Shopify Plus. You will need to contact sales and try it your way. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you need any help, you can check in the comments. We can provide any types of help you will need. And goodbye. Till another video. And yeah, that's it. I have nothing more to say about Shopify Plus.